Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating the channel itself. Tap New Channel, give it a concise name, and select Public or Private based on reach. Once done, set a memorable username so others can find you. This matters for takedown requests and provenance. Make sure to add a contact email in the description and a one-sentence copyright statement explaining content ownership and takedown procedure. Doing this early prevents confusion and speeds enforcement when you need to assert rights. Next, set up governance. Add at least one trusted admin and assign precise permissions. Allow posting and deletion, but restrict admin changes. This reduces accidental hijacks. Then pin an official copyright policy message that explains how to report infringements, what evidence you need, and your preferred contact email. That pin note becomes your canonical claim. Finally, integrate moderation bots or reporting tools to auto-flag reposts and speed takedown. Now move into continuous operation. Publish content with visible copyright marks or metadata so provenance is clear. This helps you prove ownership later. Once live, monitor channel and global mentions for reposts and process incoming reports promptly. Save timestamps, URLs, and screenshots as evidence. If a takedown is needed, follow your pinned procedure and submit a report to Telegram with the documented proof. If that fails, escalate to formal legal channels. If things go wrong, check admin permissions and bot logs first before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.